Hi there, this is Bala's Creation. Today I'm here with a beginner tutorial about how to draw an umbrella. Drawing an umbrella is a fun and relatively simple task. Here's the step-by-step guide on how to draw a basic umbrella. Let's start. For drawing, I need paper, pencil, eraser, marker, color pencil, and one protector. Start by drawing with a protector the curved skull. At the top of the paper, draw a curved line that will serve as a top edge of the umbrella. This curved line should be the semicircle or slightly oval in shape, depending on how open you want the umbrella to be. It's time to draw ribs. Here I point out, and these points represent the ribs of the umbrella. Typically, there are 5 ribs, but you can adjust the number as you like. Make sure the ribs are evenly spaced. Now it's time to draw a handle. To scale and measure the middle point. The top of the umbrella should curve downward toward the handle. Then draw a straight line as a handle. This part is typically long. The handle can be thick or thin, depending on your preferences. Now go over your drawing and erase any unnecessary and overlapping lines. These will clean up your drawing and make it look neater. For coloring, here I am using the color pencils. If you want, you can use color markers or watercolor. Basically, umbrellas come in various colors and patterns, so feel free to get creative with your color choices. For outlining, here I am using marker. If you want, you can skip it. That's it, you have successfully drawn a basic umbrella. You can experiment with different shapes, sizes, and designs to create unique umbrellas. Practice will help you to improve your drawing skill. So don't be discouraged if your first attempt isn't perfect. That's all for today. See you later. Bye bye.